In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conduct a Wealthfront IRA review. This process is straightforward and intuitive, so stick with me, and you'll be well on your way to understanding Wealthfront's IRA offerings. Let's get started. First, the initial step is to go straight to the Wealthfront website. Once you're there, you'll immediately notice how clean and user-friendly the interface is. This is where your journey begins, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. It's specifically structured to guide you seamlessly to the information you need. Next, to find the IRA section, look for the Retirement IRAs option. Clicking here will direct you to the retirement products that Wealthfront offers, including their various IRA options. The goal here is to explore what Wealthfront has to offer in terms of retirement saving possibilities and see how it aligns with your financial goals. Once you click through, you're met with a new section called The Retirement of Your Dreams. This part of the site is designed to give you an overview of how Wealthfront can help with planning for your dream retirement. The information here is crucial for determining whether their services meet your long-term needs, so it's worth spending some time exploring the options presented. Moving forward, you'll encounter a section that introduces you to Wealthfront's philosophy and approach to retirement planning. In this area, you'll get a sense of how Wealthfront sets itself apart from other robo-advisors and traditional IRAs. It's always beneficial to understand the unique selling points and commitments that a financial institution has to offer, especially regarding your retirement funds. After that, it's time to dive into the specifics by exploring hundreds of investment options. This step offers a deeper dive into the wide array of investments you can include in your IRA. Whether you're interested in stocks, bonds, or a more diversified portfolio, this section breaks down your possibilities, making it easier to tailor your investments to your risk tolerance and financial goals. At this stage, you might notice little touches marked by visuals or highlights, often represented by a Y symbol to emphasize ease and accessibility. These cues are designed to make your online navigation as straightforward as possible, ensuring you have a smooth experience as you gather the details you need. As you move along, you'll come across prompts that encourage thoughtful consideration of your retirement timeline, posing questions like when to make you think critically about your future financial milestones and retirement objectives. The journey doesn't end with just retirement. Wealthfront astutely points out that there's more to investing than retirement, highlighting the broader financial planning services they offer. By broadening your understanding, you are empowered to make more comprehensive financial decisions for the future. Finally, Wealthfront closes with a compelling call to action. Don't wait 30 years for answers to your retirement questions. This serves as a motivating reminder to take proactive steps in planning for retirement today, ensuring you're not caught off guard in the years to come. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to effectively navigate and conduct a review of Wealthfront's IRA offerings. Remember, retirement planning is an ongoing process, and with the right tools and insights, you can confidently build your path to financial security. Thank you for tuning in, and happy investing!